we can get a shot of it anyway.
Perfect.
20 minutes you had to wait.
That wasn't bad.
Not compared to sometimes.
Well, that guy got out of the way.
Yeah.
As soon as he got out of the way, the bell started dinging.
Yeah.
That's when you know the train's coming.
All those boxcars.
You ain't losing no time either. Those are containers. What they
Intermodeling.
do, they take them off, put them on trucks. They haven't got a reefer on it for refrigerated. That one does too. You ain't losing no time, is it?
No, he's really moving.
You know, all I'm seeing is containers on these trains anymore.
I know it.
Some of them carry automobile frames.
Yeah, most of these I see going through here, those have got some tanks on them there, but most everything I see is containers. I don't know where hobo ride on them. They give you out of luck.
Well.
All right, go get your stuff.
Bye bye, little choo choo.